All right, so the Wonder family was nice enough to send me out this neck fan to review. I go to theme parks a lot in Florida and it gets really hot. So this is something that's great to have. And I wanted to test this out at the theme parks to see how good the battery life is and the fan speed. So let's open it up. All right. It does come with this carrying case. You have your user manual, a nice weighted eye mask with cooling beads inside. They're actually cool to the touch right now. You have a little duster and then your USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Actually curious about this one. These are pretty cooling. If you are okay with the something on your face while you're sleeping, these definitely cool you off. We're gonna see if this is charged already a little bit. It should have been charged when it left, but yeah, there you go. You have your power button right here, the Wonder family branding. Your USB-C charging will be right here. It is sucking the air through these sides and then blowing it out on the top, which would be your neck. That is some significant air right there. It is a little loud on the high speed, but this is way more air than my other one pulls. I better turn this off just in case the mic's not picking me up. So when you're walking around the theme parks in Florida and it's saying 90 degrees plus, you are drenched. So like actually there's some points where you can't even feel the coolness coming off because it can only cool off so much. I believe there's something like a cooling factor like 8 degrees or something that it can cool from an ambient temperature, not just for this, for anything in general. So you really don't feel them until you like go inside, then it gives you a really cool blast. But when it is in the high 80s to mid 70s, that's when these things shine and it helps you stay cool throughout the day. And you're also not cranking it up all the time. So yeah, you could go around all day with this on your neck and be perfectly fine.